Then what are the limitations of the flat slab? Uh, uh, this is very much concerned part. That is, we have to do careful handling of prefabricated components such as concrete panels or steel or glass panels if required. Attention has to be paid through the strength and corrosion resistance of the joining of prefabricated sections to avoid failure of the joint. So this is generally what it is directly we can cast those slab parts, that is column head, uh, the part of the slab, means the sections of the slab, and then we have to join them. So we have to take care for the corrosion, and we have to uh, delicately handle that part. Okay. Similarly, leaks can form at the joints in prefabricated components, so we have to take care of that also. And transportation cost may be higher for voluminous prefabricated section than for the material which are made or which can often be packed more compactly. Okay. So we have to take care of these 3 4 things in to corrosion, to delicately handle. We have to be careful at the joints should be leak proof, and transportation cost may be higher. Then classification of flat slab. Generally, what classification means, it is because of the column head. So what type of column head we have, then accordingly we can classify the slab. So flat slab, solid flat slab, or flat plate. So it doesn't have any uh, special type of column head. Okay, the basic, the what the column we directly provide for our RCC, so that type of column will be there. Flat slab with a drop panel, flat slab with a column heads, or and banded flat slab. So these are the types of the flat slab according to the column head. Okay, so flat slab or flat plate. So this is the diagram for the flat slab or flat head. So this type of questions may can asked in the form of MCQ. That's why I am enlarging this basic theory part over here. Otherwise, in the in our syllabus or in our books, it doesn't have mentioned such a elaborated clarification of this such a type. So for our MCQ and for our basic knowledge of flat slabs, I am going to elaborate this part in uh, such a manner. So what is the range for solid flat slab? It is up to 8 meter for reinforced concrete. Okay, it is up to 10 meter for prestressed concrete, and overall depth is above is around span by 25. So this is the span range. So for basic or for minimum type of spans without any type of special arrangement in the column head, so this slab, solid flat slab, is provided. So it is simple to construct, minimizes the construction depth, and provides clear soffit for routing services. Next type is solid flat slab with a drop panel. So you can see this drop. So you can see this drop. Okay, so this is the slab, solid flat slab with a drop panel. Okay, so providing drop panel around the column head enables flat slab to carry large shear force without need of shear reinforcement. So just although longer spans can be provided, the drops complicate the construction process and can interface with the routing services. Okay, so this is, just see this diagram. So it has some amount of complication for routing service. Routing service means what? For interior decoration type of works or for plaster of Paris. So it will create one obstruction if we go for this type of drop panel. But going from the strength wise or stability wise, this is good because we doesn't have to we doesn't have to go for a extra shear reinforcement. We can, and this can resist the shear reinforcement. Okay, this is the advantage in terms of strength. Looks wise it is not that much okay, but we can go for uh, solid flat slab with a drop panel or to. Then third type is solid flat slab with a column head. In flat slab, so this is the column head. Okay, you can see in this diagram also. Okay. In flat slab, shear reinforcement around the column heads can be avoided and reduced by providing enlarged column heads. Okay, where it comes the main concern, that main concern comes for the shear only. Okay, so we can avoid the shear by providing enlarged column heads or column capitals. These complicate the construction process but but enable longer span to be provided. Okay, so it is quite complicated for the construction, but it gives the larger spans than compared to the first and second type of the solid flat slab. And this is banded flat slab. Okay, so it is best suited for rectangular column grid slab along with a long beam spans and shorter slab spans. Here what we are going to do, we are going to do bands. Okay, we are providing bands like this. So this band beam and slab construction where shallow band beams are used to minimize the depth, and it is suitable for a span up to 8 meter. Okay, so method of construction system. So we have seen the type of slabs, advantages and basic need of the or requirement of the flat slab. So we here will go for the method of construction system. So flat slab can be cast in situ or cast in place. Okay. Else the slab can be precast at ground level and lifted to a final height. The latter type of slabs are called lift slab. If it is cast in place, it is called lift slab because we have to lift the slab and we have to place at the proper location. Okay, so post tensioning system and pre tensioning system. So this part we know, I'll share the PPT, but this part we know, post tensioning, pre tensioning, that part we are going to do in the flat slab. So basically according to construction type, flat slab is of two types: normal or reinforced type of flat slab or pre-tensioned or post-tensioned flat slab. Both ways we can go for the flat slab. So what are the component parts of the flat slab? First one is the column strip, second is middle strip, and third one is panel. So this is a column strip. Okay, and the remaining part is the middle strip, and these are the panels means what? The column head or column uh, capitals. And what we are going to do, we are going to design the flat slab according to this strip. So design of column strip, design of middle strip, design of panel likewise. Okay, so from here next it will start the analysis of flat slab. So we go for the analysis of flat slab in the next session. Till then this is the introductory part. Okay, I think it is clear to you. If you have any doubts regarding this part, then you can directly contact me. Okay, thank you.